Strong sisters, are you tired of the myth that lifting weights will make you bulky? It's time to ditch the outdated idea that weights are just for men, or that lifting heavy will make you look manly. Trust me, I've been lifting weights for years, and I'm here to tell you that's so not true. We're diving deep into the amazing benefits of strength training and why every single woman should add it to her routine. Get ready to feel empowered, because we're about to break down those barriers and build some serious strength. Let's bust those myths and dive into why every woman needs to pick up those weights. Let's talk about aging, because guess what? We all do it. And as we age, we naturally start to lose muscle mass. But don't worry, strength training is here to save the day. Lifting weights is like hitting the pause button on muscle loss. This means you get to keep that toned and sculpted look as you age, instead of becoming frail. We're talking about being able to carry your groceries, play with your grandkids, and just move through life with ease and confidence. And here's an extra bonus. More muscle mass means a faster metabolism. That's right, your body will burn more calories even at rest. Remember, strong is the new sexy, and it's never too late to start building a stronger you. Let's talk about bones, ladies. Just like our muscles, our bones need attention too, especially as we age. Osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones, is a serious concern for women. But the good news is that we can fight back with strength training. When you lift weights, you're putting stress on your bones, and this stress is actually a good thing. It stimulates bone cell production, which leads to denser, stronger bones. This means less risk of fractures, breaks, and osteoporosis as you get older. Even moderate intensity strength training can make a world of difference. So let's show our bones some love and keep them strong and healthy for years to come. Ready to fire up your metabolism and torch those calories? Strength training is your secret weapon. It's time to ditch the idea that cardio is the only way to lose weight. While cardio is great, strength training takes fat burning to a whole new level. Strength training also creates an afterburn effect called EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. What does that mean for you? It means your body becomes a calorie-burning machine even after your workout is over. And let's not forget about the amazing body composition changes you'll see. As you build muscle and lose fat, you'll notice a more toned and sculpted physique. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to stubborn fat and hello to a fitter, more confident you, it's time to add some weightlifting to your routine. Ladies, it's time to ditch the scale and focus on what truly matters: how you feel. Strength training is about so much more than just a number on the scale. It's about transforming your body composition and feeling amazing from the inside out. When you focus on strength training, you're essentially shifting your body's makeup to have less fat and more lean muscle mass. This means you'll be burning more calories at rest, even while you sleep. Muscle is denser than fat, which means it takes up less space. Remember, it's not about being skinny. It's about being strong, healthy, and confident in your own skin. Embrace the journey of building a powerful and resilient body through strength training. Imagine gliding through your day with effortless strength and boundless energy. Picture yourself moving with ease, feeling unstoppable and vibrant from morning till night. That's the power of strength training. It transforms your body and mind, giving you the resilience to face any challenge. It's not just about lifting heavy weights in the gym, it's about building a foundation of strength that supports every aspect of your life. It's about making everyday activities feel easier and more enjoyable. Imagine breezing through chores without breaking a sweat. Think about all the things you do daily: carrying groceries, climbing stairs, playing with your kids, and even chasing after your dog. All these activities become more enjoyable and less tiring. These all require strength and endurance. Strength training builds the stamina you need to keep up with your active lifestyle. Strength training helps you build the functional strength you need to tackle these everyday tasks with ease. It's about being prepared for whatever life throws your way. No more struggling to lift heavy bags or feeling exhausted after simple tasks, or feeling out of breath after a flight of stairs. Imagine the freedom of moving effortlessly. And as you get stronger, you'll find that you have more energy throughout the day. Your body will thank you. You'll feel more vibrant and alive, ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. So ditch the idea that strength training is only for athletes or bodybuilders. It's for everyone. It's for every woman who wants to live life to the fullest, embrace her strength, and conquer her day with confidence and power. Start your journey today and feel the difference. Let's face it, injuries happen. But the good news is that strength training can be your secret weapon in preventing those aches, pains, and more serious injuries that can sideline you from living your best life. When you lift weights, you're not just building stronger muscles, you're also strengthening your tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues. Stronger muscles and connective tissues mean better joint support, improved balance, and reduced risk of falls, especially as we age. Strength training can also be incredibly helpful in preventing and managing conditions like lower back pain, arthritis, and osteoporosis. So if you want to stay injury-free and keep moving with confidence, make strength training a non-negotiable part of your routine. A healthy heart is a happy heart, and strength training is a fantastic way to show your cardiovascular system some love. While cardio gets all the glory when it comes to heart health, don't underestimate the power of lifting weights. Strength training helps lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. It does this by strengthening your heart muscle and improving your body's ability to use oxygen efficiently. When you lift weights, you're giving your heart a workout too. It has to work harder to pump blood to your working muscles, which over time makes it stronger and more efficient. Even short, high-intensity strength training sessions can have a significant impact on your heart health. Ladies, are you tired of feeling tired? If you're longing for deep, restorative sleep that leaves you feeling refreshed and energized, strength training might just be the answer you've been searching for. You might be surprised to learn that strength training can work wonders for improving sleep quality. When you engage in regular strength training, you're essentially wearing out your muscles and putting them into recovery mode. This process of muscle repair and rebuilding sends signals to your brain that it's time to relax and recharge. As a result, you'll fall asleep faster, sleep more soundly, and wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to conquer your day. So if you're ready to say goodbye to restless nights and embrace the power of deep, rejuvenating sleep, add some strength training to your routine and experience the transformative benefits. Let's debunk a common myth that's keeping so many women from experiencing the incredible benefits of strength training. Many believe that lifting weights will make them bulky or reduce their flexibility, but this couldn't be further from the truth. If you've ever heard that lifting weights will make you stiff and inflexible, get ready to have your mind blown. Strength training, when done properly, can actually enhance your flexibility and overall mobility. The truth is, strength training, when done correctly with proper form and a full range of motion, can actually improve your flexibility and mobility. This means you can move more freely and with greater ease in your daily life. That's right, lifting weights can help you move with more grace and ease, both in and out of the gym. Imagine feeling more agile and balanced, whether you're working out or just going about your day. When you perform strength training exercises, you're taking your joints through their full range of motion, which helps maintain and even improve your flexibility over time. This is crucial for keeping your body youthful and resilient. Not only that, but strength training also helps strengthen the muscles that support your joints, leading to better posture, reduced risk of injury, and improved overall mobility. This holistic approach to fitness ensures you stay active and healthy. Embrace the power of lifting weights to unlock your body's natural flexibility and move with fluidity and grace. By incorporating strength training into your routine, you can enjoy a more vibrant and dynamic lifestyle at any age. We're talking about living a long, vibrant life filled with energy, vitality, and the freedom to do the things you love for years to come. Imagine waking up each day feeling strong, capable, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. And guess what plays a huge role in making that happen? You got it, strength training. It's not just for bodybuilders or athletes, it's for everyone who wants to live their best life. Studies have shown that regular strength training is linked to increased longevity and a higher quality of life as we age. The benefits are backed by science and countless success stories. Think about it. Strength training helps prevent age-related muscle loss, strengthens bones, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, improves sleep, boosts mood, and so much more. It's like a magic pill for your overall well-being. By incorporating strength training into your routine, you're setting yourself up for a lifetime of health, vitality, and independence. It's never too late to start, and the benefits can be felt at any age. You'll have the strength and energy to keep up with your grandkids, travel the world, pursue your passions, and live each day to the fullest. Imagine the adventures you'll have and the memories you'll create. So make strength training a non-negotiable part of your life and embrace the incredible gift of a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Ready to rewrite your story? I hope this video has inspired you to ditch the myths and embrace the incredible power of strength training. Remember, strong is not a size. It's a mindset, a journey of self-discovery, and a celebration of what your body is truly capable of. Drop a heart emoji below if you're joining the strength revolution. Let's support each other, share our journeys, and inspire more women to unlock their full potential through strength training. Hit subscribe, grab your weights, and let's make 2024 the year you become the strongest version of you. See you in the next video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights like these.